First, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Hal Shapiro. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sales Marketing for the Commercial and Industrial and Glass divisions of Senneca Holdings. First, I'd like to explain a little bit about Senneca Holdings. We're a space separation or transition solutions company. When you're going from hot to cold, different types of environments, whether it's dirty to clean, whether it's from outside to inside, that's when you come to Senneca. Senneca is comprised of a number of different brands. Chase Industries is the oldest brand that we have. 90 years old, mainly focused on industrial and commercial doors. Eliason Doors is another popular brand that we have. When we go through the whole list of our companies, we produce ColdGuard cold storage doors, Hercules cold storage doors, Chase and Eliason doors for not just traffic, but strip doors as well as air doors. Then we look at our glass business, Thermoseal. Thermoseal is a glass door company like the glass doors you would find at your grocery store or the convenience store. And Subzero and Simplex focused on enclosures for data centers as well as clean rooms and other type of environments. So at Chase Doors, we have a 90-year history. Chase Bloom was the founder of Chase Doors. That 90-year heritage continues to today, where we continue to innovate and be the market leader with respect to double-acting traffic doors. The legacy of Chase Doors we carry on to today. Last year, we celebrated the 90th year anniversary of Chase Doors. Not only do we celebrate the heritage of the product, we celebrate the culture of Chase Doors, the people, the effort, the energy, the technology that we bring to the table when we're supplying and producing those products. So when we think about the overall business that Senneca Holdings has, we are a holding company. We have a number of different brands. Speaking to Subzero specifically, Subzero is one of our newer brands, focused on the data center segment of the market to provide energy efficiency and data reliability with respect to our data center solutions, our enclosures, doors, and full systems. The relationship between Senneca Holdings and Subzero Engineering, Senneca as part of a private equity, as a private equity firm holding company, provides leverage with respect to the capital available and the investments that we make in the technology, the innovation, and the service levels that we provide to our customers. I get the question all the time, what does Senneca do? What does Chase do? What does Subzero do? What does Eliason do? Most of the responses I get are that we make doors, we make enclosures. But when we really look at our business, what do we really do? Door engineering saves lives. That may sound a little dramatic, but if a door to a fire station were not to open, what would that mean? Hercules, ColdGuard, Thermoseal. We provide safety for food safety services and solutions. Because if those doors weren't there, food security would not be there. There would be a lot of spoilage. You look at data centers, data center enclosures with Subzero. Without those data centers and the enclosures that we provide, there would be high energy consumption and internet reliability would be questionable. We provide a lot of value, not just to the employees that work for Senneca, but to the world. When I think about what we deliver as Senneca Holdings, it's the synergies across our businesses. It's the solutions that we provide to our customers. And in sales and marketing for Senneca, we really develop the tools that our customers need in order to provide the right specifications for the right solutions for the right applications. We enable our sales team to become consultants for end users, for contractors, and for distributors. And we enable all of our employees to understand the value proposition that Senneca delivers to the market. So when I think about what we deliver to our customers from a Senneca Holdings standpoint, every company has challenges. But one thing that I know about Senneca is that we will be open and honest with our customers. We may go through some growing pains as we build our capacity, as we build our production, in order to provide the highest level of customer service and support that we can. So as Senneca has acquired a number of brands, we believe in the brands. We're investing in the brands in order to provide a high level of service to our customers, a high cultural benefit to our employees, and the best products and solutions that we can deliver to the markets that we serve. So as we view our customers, we want to make sure that we put our best foot forward, whether that's from a sales standpoint, out in the field, engagement, whether that's from a phone answering standpoint with our customer service team and customer support team, technical support from an installation standpoint. We want to be able to provide the highest level of customer service possible and give the customers the experience they deserve. When I think about the future for Senneca Holdings, I don't just think about the future for the brands overall. I think about the next generation of products, the next generation of our employees, and how to develop the right culture within those employees, the next generation of end users that we're engaging with, so that we can improve what we deliver to them. We want to become number one in every product category that we serve. We want to provide the best solutions that we possibly can supply to our customers and have them have the most amazing experience with all of our Senneca Holdings brands.